Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to edit a shared document in Google Drive, the complete guide for 2025. Whether you're collaborating on a school project, working with your team, or managing a business document. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make changes, track edits, and collaborate seamlessly. Let's dive in. First, open your Google Drive and locate the shared document you want to edit. If someone shared it with you, it should appear under Shared with Me on the left-hand panel. Click to open it. Once the document is open, check the sharing permissions at the top right. If it says Viewer, you won't be able to make changes. You need Editor access. If you don't have editing access, click Request Edit Access and wait for the owner to approve. Now, assuming you have editing access, you can start making changes immediately. Google Docs allows you to type directly, format text, add images, tables, and even insert links. A great feature for teamwork is suggestion mode. You can turn this on by clicking the pencil icon at the top right and selecting Suggesting. This way, your edits won't directly change the original text. They'll appear as suggestions for others to approve. This is perfect for collaboration without risking mistakes. Don't forget about comments. Highlight any text, right-click, and select Comment, or click the comment icon. This is ideal for asking questions, giving feedback, or starting a discussion on specific parts of the document. Google Docs also automatically saves all changes in real time, so you never have to worry about losing your work. And if you ever need to track who made which edits, go to File greater than Version History, greater than C Version History. Here, you can review all changes and even restore previous versions. Lastly, if multiple people are editing at the same time, you'll see their cursors and updates in real time, making collaboration smooth and efficient. And that's it. Editing a shared document in Google Drive is easier than ever when you know these tips and features. From direct edits to suggestions, comments, and version history, Google Docs has everything you need for smooth collaboration. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Google Drive tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.